Welcome to a captivating journey into the grandeur of Baroque architecture. Picture the 17th century, an age of opulence and drama. In the midst of political and cultural shifts, a new architectural style was stirring. This was a time of exploration and innovation, and the world was ripe for a revolution in design. Enter the Baroque era, an epoch that would leave an indelible mark on the world of architecture. So, the stage was set in the 17th century for the birth of a new architectural style that would shake the world. Now, let's traverse the architectural wonders that define the Baroque era. This journey begins in the heart of Italy, in the magnificent city of Rome. Here stands the St. Peter's Basilica, a masterstroke by Gian Lorenzo Bernini. This colossal structure is more than just a building. It's a testament to the grandeur of the Baroque era, a symphony of stone that sings the praises of opulence and drama. Every arch, every sculpture, every fresco tells a story, echoing the whispers of the past. From Italy, we voyage to France, where the Palace of Versailles awaits. This grand edifice is a symbol of the absolute monarchy of the Sun King, Louis XIV. More than just a royal residence, Versailles is a statement, a declaration of power and prestige. Its sprawling gardens, its lavish interiors, its intricate details all resonate with the ethos of the Baroque era. These architectural marvels are not just buildings. They are the embodiment of an era, a manifestation of the cultural, political, and social climate of the 17th century. They encapsulate the essence of the Baroque, the flamboyance, the theatricality, the emotional intensity. They are the physical manifestation of a time when architecture was not just about building, but about creating experiences, evoking emotions, and telling stories. These masterpieces, among others, have left an indelible mark on the canvas of world architecture. With every stone, every arch, every ornate detail, they continue to inspire, to captivate, to enchant. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the fascinating aspects of Baroque architecture. The stage is set for a performance where the buildings are the actors, and the architects, the directors. But the magic of Baroque doesn't stop there. Picture this: an architect, armed with a set of blueprints and a vision, creating a world that dances and sways. That's the power of optical illusions in Baroque design. These illusions, skillfully deployed, gave the structures a sense of movement, an illusion of life. The buildings seemed to breathe, to reach out, to draw you in. Then there's the drama of light and shadow. In the Baroque era, light was more than just a tool for visibility. It was an artist's brush, painting emotions on the canvas of stone and mortar. Through the strategic use of lighting, these structures evoked awe, joy, and sometimes even fear. And so the Baroque architects played with our perceptions, crafting structures that lived and breathed. Let's zoom in on the intricate details that make Baroque architecture an absolute spectacle. We find ourselves drawn to the Rococo flourishes, a signature of the late Baroque period. These ornate embellishments, with their intricate swirls and twirls, breathe life into the stone, transforming buildings into living, breathing works of art. And who can we thank for these mesmerizing details? Enter Gian Lorenzo Bernini, a name that echoes through the annals of architectural history. Bernini was not just an architect, he was a sculptor, a painter, a playwright, and a city planner. His multifaceted genius is evident in every crevice and curve of his creations. He didn't just build structures, he choreographed an architectural ballet, a dance between stone and light, form and function. Behind every architectural marvel of the Baroque era, there were visionaries like Bernini, who dared to push the boundaries. They wove stories into stone, and their tales continue to captivate us centuries later. As our journey nears its end, let's observe how the echoes of Baroque continue to resonate in modern architectural wonders. The Baroque era, with its drama, grandeur, and intricate details, didn't fade away, but rather morphed, influencing successive architectural styles. It's remarkable how the ripples of Baroque, a 17th century movement, continue to shape contemporary design. Think of modern architecture's penchant for grand spaces and elaborate ornamentation. These are direct descendants of the Baroque's love for drama and opulence. The play of light and shadow, a defining feature of Baroque, is a technique still used today to evoke emotion and create visual interest. Even the Baroque's use of optical illusions to create a sense of movement has found its way into the dynamic structures of modern architecture. From the sweeping curves of contemporary buildings to the ornate details of interior design, the spirit of Baroque is alive and well. Thus concludes our voyage through the Baroque era, a testament to human creativity and the endless pursuit of beauty and grandeur.